Suppose if you are in Microsoft Word and if you want to type the equals to symbol, then you can simply press the shift key and this key with the plus and equal to scan. So if you click these two keys at the same time, then it will comes the plus only. And if you want to get the equals to, you can no need to press this shift key, simply press this plus key, then you can see that this equals to key. And if you want to create both of them without pressing this key, that is what equals to 10, you must simply press this alt key and S key. So this is the code 003D. So you can simply type like this 003D. So after tapping like this, if you press this alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the equals to sign now comes here. Similarly, if you want to create this plus sign, you can see this is the plus sign, and if you want to check what is the code for that is 002B, so you must simply type like this 002 B. So after tapping like this, if you are going to press this alt key and S key, then you can see that this plus key we have created using this method. Hope this video is you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.